Whew. Hey y'all, Hanson here from Jan Homestead, here with
Anixa. Hello.
Anixa. This is one of my daughters, stepdaughter. Okay, and we are here for the Simple Life Reclaimed Thankful Challenge. Today is day 8 of the Thankful Challenge. And what are you thankful for? We'll start off with you.
Oh, okay then. I'm thankful for shelter and food and water and whatever I have.
Thankful for shelter, for having a roof over your head.
Yeah.
You like doing that?
Yeah.
What's your favorite type of food?
I don't have a favorite food. What do you think?
You just like food in general?
Yeah.
You're a fat kid like me?
Yeah. Totally.
She really is.
Totally. I'll eat any type of food I can find in the house.
Yes.
I eat chips.
Yes, you like to snack. You are a snacker.
Thank you. Thank you. I am.
And for me, I'm actually thankful for my mother. I love my mommy, right? But just for many things, obviously, she raised me, taught me all kinds of stuff. But here within the last, quite a few years, my mom actually owns a restaurant. So if you guys did not know, it's Momma Mary's Navajo Tacos, based out of Willard, Missouri. And I've actually had a few of our YouTube followers have a chance to go check out her restaurant and check out her food and whatnot and post up. And along with that, the shout out for today is actually going to be simply Jan Homestead, because she actually just had a chance to go check out my mom's restaurant, and she was showing the Indian fry bread, the Navajo fry bread, making me all jelly and stuff because, yeah, she knows. Yeah.
She got fried bread!
Yeah.
I'm so upset.
Right?
I want some.
But yeah, we'll have a chance to get back and get some fry bread and
I want fried bread.
whatnot, and spend some fellowship and some family time with moms and with grandma and all the people that work in the restaurant. Hopefully soon. All right, so if you guys get a chance, right, and you're in the Willard, Missouri area, Springfield, Missouri area, then definitely look her up. She's on Facebook, she's on Instagram. She'll post her hours and all that stuff for when she's open for lunch and dinner type stuff, right? And got anything else you want to add?
Nope.
All right.
Nope.
There we go. So, hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give us a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. You don't have to, but we appreciate it. Share us out to your friends, and we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Do I have to do that? No? Okay. Peace. Bye.